Hello there, today I'm showing you how to make my vegan chocolate self-saucing pudding. This dessert recipe is easy to make and is perfect for a cold winter's night. Here's how to make it. The first step is to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. If you don't have an oven, just cook it in the microwave. Now we add all the dry ingredients to a bowl. You'll find all the measurements in the description. We're starting with self-raising flour, sugar, cocoa powder for that chocolatey flavour, baking soda or baking powder to help the pudding rise, and then salt to balance the sweetness. Now give that all a stir to combine, like this. Now we add in the two wet ingredients, which are plant milk and melted vegan butter. Now we give that a stir to form the chocolate pudding batter until smooth like this. Now we scrape the pudding batter into a baking dish and then spread out evenly. You're never too old to lick the spatula. Now the sauce is a bit like magic. You pour it on top of the pudding and then it ends up underneath. To make it, simply add cocoa and brown sugar to a small bowl and then give it a stir. Sprinkle it all over the pudding. Now we gently pour over the boiling water. The trick to this is to pour it over the back of a spoon. Now the pudding's ready to go in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes, depending on the size of the baking dish and your type of oven. While the pudding's cooking, I just wanted to say a quick thanks to all of my subscribers. I'm now up to 1,113. Once crisp and firm on top, remove from the oven. Then cool for 5 minutes to allow the sauce to thicken. Serve hot with a scoop of vegan ice cream. Thanks for watching. Check out more of my vegan recipe videos here.